There's three things I can guarantee you about the Dakotas. Number one, there's a handful of things to do, and they're all really cool. Second is, there's a whole lot of nothing in between all those things to do. And third is, there's all the wind in the world blowing over all that nothing. So, and if you wondered, I'm at the Welk Homestead, Lawrence Welk Homestead in Stroudsburg, North Dakota. It means something to me, but and you know, there's little stuff like this everywhere. Just a whole bunch of nothing covered in all the wind between it. All right, I'm in North Dakota. That's where I'm at, getting my dirt sample for this state for my project. And that guy on the road down there is the first one I've seen in almost 40 minutes. Back this other direction, I just spent 50 miles or so driving through just flat field, farm, field, abandoned farm, field, town with no gas, you know, that type of thing. And with North Dakota, every 60 or 70 miles, you hit one of these. Just some big wetlands area or lake or marsh or whatever, and it's just incredibly beautiful. You know, so the flat parts give you plenty of time to think or clear your head or whatever, because it doesn't take a lot of effort to be a safe driver when you can see for miles in every direction and there's no traffic. Like I said, this guy coming up the road, 40 minutes is the only human I've seen. So, you know, don't just think, oh, whatever, people say it's flat and boring, it's flat and boring. No, just take a look at this.